Hello, this is Alex from the National Weather Service in Pocatello with your Southeast Idaho weather hazard planning briefing for Sunday, December 16th. We'll start you off here with a look at the satellite picture showing what's coming, and a couple of storm systems are coming. The first one you can see here indicated by these greens just off of the Pacific coast. Notice the system is weakening some, but we'll still be able to get some snow from that. A bit of a break behind it, and just off the screen in some of these whiter colors here, you can see the next storm system just beginning to come into the frame, and that'll be impacting the region Wednesday and into Thursday. Here's a look at the timeline. Not expecting any impacts through tonight, but just after midnight tonight into Monday morning, we'll start to see some light snow in the Sawtooth. That'll expand across much of the Central Mountains on Monday, and also the some of the Eastern Highlands, and we'll show you that in a bit more detail. A bit of a break Monday night, and then a more potent system for Tuesday and Wednesday, which will bring a 1-2 punch of mountain snow and wind for most areas. And that'll wind down as we head through Thursday. Just beyond this, there is the potential for another round of snow Friday and into Saturday. A little less certain with the details on that one, so we'll show you the first two systems in a little more detail first. And if we get into this evening and overnight, start to see some snow showers, particularly by 5 a.m. from Stanley down to Sun Valley, and some of these darker blues here, which represent snow. Farther south, as we get into the eastern Magic Valley, there you can see the pink here on this forecast. That does indicate some areas where some freezing rain is looking increasingly likely, particularly say from Jerome north through Shoshone. So northern Lincoln and Minidoka counties have the best chance for seeing freezing rain tomorrow morning. Perhaps briefly from Twin Falls to Burley, but think it'll be mainly rain there for those areas. And particularly by the time we get into the afternoon, it's warm enough for just rain in the lower elevations here along the interstate corridor, with some snow for the higher terrain areas farther north across the Argo Desert, farther south across the southern highlands. And we can see how that progresses. Mostly rain, potentially mixing with snow in Pocatello during the afternoon, and certainly some snow for Malad Pass. And that does kind of dwindle, if you will, as we go through Monday evening. But you can see on this radar, as we get into Monday night and Tuesday morning, that next and stronger system just coming into Stanley by Tuesday morning. And I'll switch you over here to a different product that goes out a little bit farther. A little less detail, but it will take us out farther. You can see how the snow expands Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, and taking you through Wednesday. So you can clearly see most of the snow will be in the mountains. However, there is the potential for some snow from time to time across the Snake Plain and Arco Desert Tuesday, but Wednesday's warm air is working into the region, so mostly rain for the Snake Plain. And there will also be some wind accompanying this system, and I'll show you the wind forecast in just a few slides. Moving forward here, let's take a look at the 6-hour snowfall amounts to give you an idea of when the snow may be heaviest. And we'll step through these. You can see the snow heaviest generally between 5 a.m. and 11 a.m., so Monday morning, from Stanley to Sun Valley, down towards Haley, with lighter amounts elsewhere. Again, freezing rain is likely to be the dominant precipitation type here across northern Minidoka and Lincoln counties. Now, as we step into Tuesday morning, you can see quite a bit heavier snow compared to our Monday system, particularly in the Sawtooth, where snow accumulations over a foot are possible. Then we start to see some heavier snow showers work their way into the Island Park, Ashton, Palisades area here Tuesday afternoon, and continuing, of course, through Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning. The heavier snow shifts farther east. And by Wednesday afternoon in particular, we start to see the snow winding down from this system. Now, I mentioned the winds. You can see those picking up on Tuesday, particularly at the mid and upper slopes, so mountain passes. And the wind does crank up as we go from Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Could see some gusts for the passes over 40 miles an hour, potentially up to 35 miles per hour across the Snake Plain. So blowing snow, drifting snow Certainly a concern for the mountain passes, really from late Tuesday through Wednesday. As you can see, those winds continue. Even though the snow starts to let up on Wednesday, the winds are expected to continue through most of the day before they begin to wind down Wednesday night. Quick look here at temperatures for Monday. Are expected to get above freezing for most valleys. Similar high temperatures for Tuesday. We do start to get that push of warmer air on Wednesday with temperatures in the eastern Magic Valley, southern Snake Plain, pushing well above freezing, supporting the all rain precipitation type by Wednesday that's expected there. Low temperatures, certainly cold enough Monday morning, below freezing all areas. Similar lows for Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning, again starting to see some of that milder air working its way up across the eastern Magic Valley and Snake Plain. That'll conclude the briefing for today. We welcome any comments, questions, or feedback to the number or email address you see there. Thank you.